this video, we're going to kind of do a mega unboxing of Project MC2 dolls. In my last video, we unboxed this McKeyla McAlister doll, and I thought she was just so adorable. I knew I had to unbox the rest of my Project MC2 as soon as possible. These dolls are made by MGA Entertainment for ages 6 and up. So I have 3 more of the basic dolls. This is another McKeyla McAlister, an Adrienne Attoms, and a Camryn Coyle. And on the back of each box is a little bit about each character. For instance, McKeyla McAlister is a writer, hipster, and undercover spy. Adrienne Attoms is a culinary chemist. And Camryn is really into engineering and math. The theme of Project MC2 is STEAM, which is science, tech, engineering, art, and math. And you can see each character has their traits checked off. So you can see for Camryn, she's all about engineering and math. Adrienne likes science and math. And McKeyla likes all 5. Then I got 3 of the Deluxe dolls that come with experiments, including this Adrienne, an Ember, and a McKeyla with blonde hair. The 3 Deluxe dolls I got with the experiments all seem to be from this Masquerade Ball line. On the back of these Deluxe boxes, it describes the experiment. For McKeyla, it's this glue tattoo, and a little bit about the outfit she decided to wear for the Masquerade prom. Ember's experiment is about fairy wings, and Adrienne's is about lemon soap. I got these online at Amazon.com, and these basic dolls I got on sale. It was a store closing sale at Toys R Us. As I highlighted in my previous video, I love these dolls' face molds and inset eyes. So pretty. They also have these rooted eyelashes, and I love their clothes. It's clothing that you would imagine an actual kid might wear. McKeyla's outfit, for instance, is this cute little plaid pleated skirt with this pink top. I particularly love her shoes, these little boots and socks. Adrienne has really beautiful eyes. I love her face mold. She has these adorable pink glasses. And again, I love the details on her outfit. Here's Camryn. Again, beautiful inset eyes, and I love her t-shirt with the little dinosaur. So cute. She's wearing some stretchy yoga pants and these adorable little sneakers. The basic dolls do have articulation at the neck, shoulder, and hip. The Deluxe dolls that come with experiments also happen to have more elaborate outfits and more articulation. This Adrienne doll has movement at her neck, shoulder, elbow, wrist, hip, and knee. She has her long blonde hair, except the ends have this really pretty pink ombre effect. And of course, she's wearing this really beautiful outfit for the Masquerade prom, including this faux leather jacket, this skirt and top with this shimmery material and all these pretty layers. She has some special eyeglasses for the occasion, and a mask. She's wearing these beautiful heels. I really love her crown and necklace accessories. It's just all really pretty and detailed. And she's wearing some light lavender eyeshadow and a pretty pink lip. For this occasion, Ember Evergreen is dressed like a fairy princess, and I love her outfit. All this pink and lavender tulle. She's got lots of layers. She has some fairy wings, some long lavender hair, and these really pretty antler headpiece. She's got a really pretty makeup look, green and pink eyeshadow, really stunning inset blue eyes, a glittery lip. This is her mask. And she's wearing these green mesh socks. I love her heels with the flower detail. So pretty. Then finally we have McKeyla, whose hair is blonde with kind of rainbow color streaks. Really pretty. Her eyes really stand out. She's got pink and lavender eyeshadow, a little pink lip. Her outfit is a little edgier. Her hands are painted with fingerless gloves, and she has this unicorn headpiece. And here's McKeyla's mask. And of course, McKeyla wouldn't be McKeyla if she wasn't wearing some boots to complete her outfit. I love this whole masquerade prom theme. All the dolls have such pretty outfits. All the basic and deluxe dolls come with combs, but the deluxe dolls also come with experiments, which include instructions on how to do the experiment, but you have to note it only comes with a few pieces. So for instance, this is Ember's fairy wing earrings, which I'm not sure if this should be called an experiment or a craft, but it came with this mold, 2 earring clips, and instructions. So what you need to provide: glitter, school glue, food coloring, confetti glitter, small flowers or other small craft items, scissors, and a toothpick. For Adrienne's lemon soap, you get the soap mold and what they call a soap cutter, but you would need to provide yellow food coloring, lemon extract, soap making soap base, microwave safe bowl, rubbing alcohol, spray bottle, knife, and heat insulating gloves. And finally we have McKeyla's glue tattoo. The doll came with this paintbrush, this paint bucket, and these stencils. But you would need to provide school glue, cornstarch, tape, glitter, and food coloring. So that's just something to keep in mind when you're purchasing any of the deluxe dolls that come with experiments, that you're definitely going to need to provide some household items to complete whatever craft is instructed. I really like the Project MC Square dolls, not just because of their clothing, which I've said numerous times that I love, but also their face molds, their inset eyes. They're so detailed for a doll at their price point. I really love their body sculpt too. Particularly, I like that her feet are more proportionate to her body, unlike Barbie dolls. And of course, some of them can balance on their own.